three-piece house, a debut marvel from TRIAS Studio, is more than just a structure, it's an architectural portrait of its inhabitants' complementary lives. Named for its three essential components, a house, a studio, and a series of courtyards, the design orchestrates a delicate balance between the extroverted, active partner and their quieter, introverted counterpart. Set on a challenging wedge-shaped block, the architects, McMaster, Jonathon Donnelly, and Casey Bryant, transformed constraints into defining features. They crafted a configuration of living and sleeping pavilions and artfully arranged courtyards that seamlessly blend public connection with private retreat. This subtle choreography of space ensures that within a modest 114 square meters footprint, plus a 22 square meters studio, two different ways of living can coexist autonomously yet with minimal fuss, proving that thoughtful, sustainable design doesn't require excess. The genesis of this profoundly personal home lies in a serendipitous encounter. The clients, seeking a small, sustainable home for retirement with a guest studio, were captivated by a final-year architecture competition submission from Jennifer and Jonathon. The students' message, a vision for housing that was well-built and timeless, and felt contemporary yet familiar, resonated deeply. What followed was a slow, considered, and collaborative design process. The architects met regularly with the clients, presenting models, sketches, and material samples, often over cups of tea at their kitchen table. This rigorous, mutual distillation of the design down to its essence was fueled by a shared philosophy of less but better. This dedication to shared values resulted in a house that Jonathon describes as a total, complete expression of the client's life, one that functions not just for them as a couple, but perfectly for them as individuals. The spatial arrangement brilliantly accommodates the client's contrasting personalities. The more active, extroverted partner finds his haven on the street-facing veranda, perching with a glass of wine to chat with neighbors, often with Bach filling the air from windows thrown open. His connection to the house is kinetic. He loves to move through the space, tweaking windows and ventilation flaps to optimize the environment. Meanwhile, the introverted partner, a thoughtful researcher and fantastic cook, gravitates towards places of retreat. She is happiest in the sheltered, sunny courtyard, reading the morning paper, or working at the island bench, sorting vegetables from the garden. The floor plan expertly facilitates this dual existence, providing pockets of connection and places of retreat, with views and angles constantly appearing and disappearing, offering small, framed glimpses of the home as one moves through it. Beyond its personalized floor plan, the three-piece house is a powerful statement on sustainability and mindful consumption. The architects and clients made a firm commitment to build only what was necessary, resulting in the incredibly small final size. The emphasis on resource efficiency extended to the building materials. The house stands on a solid brick platform, a tribute to Jonathan's platforms and plateaus, built from the painstakingly cleaned, recycled bricks of the crumbling 1940s house that previously occupied the site. This not only reduced embodied energy but linked the new home to the site's history. Combined with radially sawn silver-top ash timber, brass fittings that will gracefully gather patina, and design features like cross-ventilation and solar power, the house embodies enduring, beautiful living. As the architects note, they prefer to think of architecture as a process, rather than a product, a process that continues as the clients now carry out their lives in this home that is uniquely, completely theirs.